Welcome to my channel PeekAboo-AI Surveillance, where I go over many different ways AI is being used when it comes to video and audio surveillance. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe so you won't miss out on any news or information pertaining to AI surveillance you may want to know about. There may be some links in the description below you can check out pertaining to each tutorial. To all my returning subscribers, welcome back and enjoy the tutorial. They have been picking our brains for many of years when it came to understanding consumer spending habits and their algorithm to what items are getting the most attention, then target us to make a profit. Enter the world of surveillance capitalism, which is a form of capitalism that claims human experience as free raw material for conversion into behavioral data. This behavioral data is then used to create what they called prediction products, which are then sold in behavioral futures markets to businesses that want to predict and influence future behavior, usually for profit through targeted advertising and other means back to the consumer. Coined by Shoshana Zuboff, the term highlights how companies collect data without user knowledge or consent to manipulate users into becoming more predictable consumers. Allow me break down some of the key aspects when it comes to surveillance capitalism. They use data extraction. Companies will capture and analyze behavioral data from various online activities, such as Google searches, social media posts, and even more intimate actions, behavioral futures markets. These prediction products are sold in new markets where in turn companies can buy insights into consumer behavior for commercial advantage. Profit motive. Their primary goal is to generate profit when using these prediction products to influence consumer choices, which will then drive sales and create new revenue streams. Of course, many people aren't aware of all this going on behind the scene, but much currently in the last 5 years people are now catching on. When you're online searching for something, then eventually you will start getting other targeted items appearing on your timeline as well as on your social media platform. Now, people are uneasy about the lack of transparency and consent. A core element is the unilateral collection and use of consumer personal experience, often without users' knowledge or explicit consent. This in turn challenges the notion when it comes to use of private space online and commodifies personal experiences, leading to concerns about the erosion of individual autonomy and privacy rights. So yes, surveillance capitalism is a business model which profits off of our private human experiences, then in turn sells that data for a profit. What can currently be done? Governments can implement strong laws to protect privacy and regulate tech companies. Start supporting ethical alternatives by using privacy-focused alternatives to mainstream products and services. Use search engines that value user privacy, such as DuckDuckGo search engine, Proton Mail, and the ad-free social network Elo. Many thanks for taking some time to check my tutorial out. All the links, if any, will be in the description below. Please subscribe so you won't miss out on any important AI surveillance information that is currently out there. Please make sure you check out the thumbnails that will be floating around at the end pertaining to similar content, and don't forget PeekAboo-AI. See you.